Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from behind the mugshot, and the title of the video is "It's Not a Crime If It's Under $750," entitled "Shoplifter Shocking Excuse." Okay, so let's get into the video. Let's see what they are actually talking about here. All right.
Hey, come here.
Oh, sorry.
Come here. Put your stuff down.
Okay.
Put your stuff down.
What?
Back.
You told me to go charge my phone to show you the online order.
Okay. Hey, we're gonna go this way.
Okay, can I grab my purse real quick?
Where's your purse at?
Right there.
Well, it's coming with us.
Okay.
You have to talk to him.
Okay, take a seat, please.
Okay.
You can just set that over there.
So the reason we have you in here today is this ORC.
I'm sorry, what?
Is this an ORC?
What's that mean?
Organized Retail Crime?
I don't know what that means. What does that
Are
mean?
you boosting for anyone?
Oh, no. I just got my first apartment, and
What's your middle name?
it's my dad's initial M.
Okay.
I know you're an officer, and I know you can extend courtesy, and I know I made a mistake, but please don't send me to county. I'll go to court, I'll do community service, I'll pay the fines. I know I fucked up. If you guys need to put me on a payment plan that I need to come here and pay everything up, I'll do whatever. Just please don't send me to county. I've never been to jail, and I just can't go to county. I can't do that to my parents. I don't want to tell them.
Okay.
They'd be embarrassed.
Well, you should have thought of your parents
I
before
know.
you started
I
speaking.
messed up. I know. My aunt's an NYPD officer, so if you can extend any courtesy for me and just not take me to jail, I'll deal with every other consequence that I have to
Quick
deal
question.
with.
Have you done this before?
I did it once, yeah. I think Target.
Were you arrested for it?
No.
And another Walmart?
No.
But she will learn this time, right? She did it again the third time.
At Walmart, I never got arrested for it, and it was not above like $300.
A month ago?
Yeah. Actually, at Walmart, they took me to county because it was there, but that's not Oklahoma City County. And I got a lawyer, and I'm doing everything I can. This is my first time living by myself. I don't know if you can see this, but I had court November 5th, and
What was it for?
the Walmart situation, and he dropped it to just disorderly conduct. I don't know if you can see that.
Yeah, we'll be able to find it. So basically the deal is if you have a conviction for larceny within 10 years, you're going to go to jail, okay?
Like, I have to go to jail?
Yeah, we're gonna take you to jail.
I thought if it's more than $900, I'd have to go to jail. You can sign me
If
up.
you don't have a conviction, then we're not going to do that. But
I don't think I have a conviction.
well, then you're probably not going
But
to
if I do have a conviction, can you take me to county?
No.
How will you know if I have a conviction or not?
We're looking it up.
Okay. And there's no courtesy you can extend for me to not.
Absolutely not. You're stealing.
I know. People make dumb mistakes.
Okay. Well, there's consequences for
I
when
know.
you make bad decisions,
I know.
okay?
And I'll make up for them in any other way. Just I don't want to get raped. I don't want to go to jail. I don't want to get raped.
Do you have a total yet?
That's the last case number from a month ago.
Did it say the amount on that one?
This one was $315.76.
Sorry, I'm
What's
talking
up?
about. I'm just anxious.
Okay.
So the conviction means that the judge said like I'm charged with this fine, right?
It was not a fine.
Man, you done. You done. Come on. This is your third time, and now it's like you want to plead and this and that. Listen, they already gave you a break the first time. You know what I'm saying? You just did it like a month ago, and they dropped it down or whatever the case that it is. You not learning from your actions. You know what I'm saying? So sometimes a hard head makes a soft behind, okay? Use your head. She ain't using her head. She's just trying to do whatever, and she keeps getting away with it, so therefore she's going to do it again. You go into the county. Go sit down there in the county. Go get you a bologna sandwich. You know what I'm saying? That probably been, spoiled for, bologna probably been spoiled for maybe a week or whatever. But hey, it's all right. It's fine. It's fine. Maybe you need that to learn a valuable lesson.
I'm charged with the crime, right?
Yeah.
Charged. Okay, that's not happened. No.
Okay. Well,
Okay.
he's looking it up right
Yeah.
now. So if we do,
And then if I don't have a conviction, I'll just get a ticket and have to go to court.
maybe.
If you can, any kindness, just please don't put me to jail.
Well, it's not a matter of kindness.
I
right?
know I made a mistake. I know I
Well,
messed up.
You've done multiple
Yeah,
mistakes.
I know.
Which shows us
And
that
I'm working on it. And if you
no,
open my,
you're not working
I am.
because you did it again.
no,
right?
look, I'm sorry.
I
I'm
can't
anxious.
even believe that you would a month ago, get arrested for doing this, and then come right back and do it again.
I know, it's when you don't have money and you're trying to make ends meet, you don't know what to do.
Okay, I know a lot of people who don't have money that make ends meet without stealing.
I know, and if my phone turned back on, like, my lawyer made me make an appointment with my therapist to discuss it with them, to, like, I can show you all of that, and, like, I'm a good person, I'm an honor student, I can show you that, like, this is just my first time living alone, and I fucked up, bro, I know I fucked up, I'm being stupid. You can do anything, just don't take me to jail, please. You can give me a fine, I'll do community service, I'll do anything.
So you are going to be trespassed from all Walmarts, you guys. You did it literally a month ago.
Is that forever?
It's for 2 years, but so let's say you're on Sam's Club and they can pull you up.
Okay.
It's technically Walmart property.
Okay,
So it's all Walmart's, Sam's Club, Walmart gas station, Murphy gas station, anything incorporated with it.
So, next month I should be getting a pharmacy inspection job. If you guys give me the total amount of what I've stolen and I come and pay all the amount back, could you guys live that?
That's not my decision, and that's not even like.
Is that something that I could do though?
You'd have to contact our home office people, and then they'll be.
So could you give me a price of everything from both Walmart so that I can know, so that maybe, hopefully I have the funds and I can, like, fix what I make.
I'd have to wait till he gets
Okay.
all that.
So I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm talking a lot. I'm just really anxious. So it's your discretion to take me to jail or not.
I mean, up to a certain point, if you have a conviction now.
Okay. So if I don't have a conviction, you won't take me.
Not necessarily. We'll see.
Okay. Is there anything I can do to make this issue for better for Walmart? Like do community service, like slowly pay it back, like. Is there anything I can do?
I mean, that's not up to me.
Because I know I fucked up. I was stupid. I fucked up. I don't want this to be my life. Like I said, I want to be a pharmacist. Like I want to have a life. I just made a stupid decision. I'm just stupid. I'm a good person. Like I do a lot. I do community service. I help people. I just made a terrible mistake today. But this is not who I am. It's my first time moving out, and I just wanted everything, and I'm stupid, and I'm sorry. I don't know if you know the answer to this. If I do go to jail, do you know how long I have to be there for?
I don't know.
How much was it?
$7.50.
Okay, was it 1,000?
What was it?
$7.50.
$7.50?
Oh no, $7.50. Like $750.
Okay, so it wasn't 1,000. Okay.
So the $7.50 is the total amount that she took. Is that right?
So I think you're gonna take me to jail.
$7.50 is not looking good.
But it's not 1,000. So please.
I'm just telling you, that's pretty close to that.
I know.
It wasn't like in this stuff about you being broker. That
No, I know.
you're taking rugs and.
I know. I'm just taking house stuff, like a vacuum, a mop, like.
Okay.
You know, and I know 750 is not, but you know, it's not 1,000. So if you can just give me that, because it's not 1,000, please just extend any kind of courtesy you can for me.
It's not about courtesy.
I know, but you said 1,000, and it's not
I
1,000.
said 1,000 is a felony. We arrest people a lot of times for stuff that's not a felony.
She talking about extend me a courtesy as if she like maybe ex-law enforcement or something, or ex-military or something like that, like, or maybe she's a cop's daughter or whatever. Like, not like that should, play a role, but it is reality. Yeah, if you related to somebody or if you've done some sort of law enforcement or whatever, they do tend to extend you a courtesy sometimes, depending on who you are and who you know. That's life. It's always about who you know, okay? Or who you are. So anyways, she is talking about, this is her first time moving out. She's going through it. She's broke, this, that, and the third, right? Now, if you broke, why did you move out? And I know we don't get this whole story throughout the body cam and know the history and stuff, and she's stealing household items, but still, I'm thinking, if you have the choice to stay wherever you're at or move out, and you can't afford to move out, don't move out. Because she says she's getting a job and this and that and gonna get some money next week or whatever. Hold up. Anyways, she's saying that she's gonna get a job and she's gonna get some money next week, and can she pay it back, X, Y, and Z. Where your money at now? Because I know when I move, right? If I ever move and stuff like that, you gotta have money. You can't just move and be broke. You know what I'm saying? You can't just have the first month's rent and security deposit, but you ain't got no money for nothing else. No money for no furniture, no nothing. We know what you think about this, and this is what I was thinking about in my mind, right? I'm not promoting this, or not, you know what? I'm not even gonna say it. Never mind. I'm not even gonna say it. We just gonna keep it rolling.
Okay.
Alright, I'll find out.
Here's the deal. Sorry it took me so long. It took me a while to find you in the system.
Okay.
It sounds like whenever you do that, you're just trying to change your name so that we don't.
Oh, no. That's why I gave you my address, and I could give you my social security right now.
No, I found you.
Yeah, of course.
That's not my point. My point
No,
is.
I give you both. I tried to give you, and I also gave him both names as well. Yeah, just because I'm in the.
You got stopped at literally almost a month ago.
Okay, well, how did she spell her name to you?
This one.
Okay, yeah, that's her name in the system. Well, that's not the name that she gave me initially.
Yeah.
Okay. So, the deal. You're giving me false info? Okay.
No, I didn't give you false
That
info.
could be an additional charge, okay?
Right, but I gave you the correct spelling of both names, though.
Bottom line is $691 worth of stuff. You're going to county, okay? Okay. No, you've done this multiple times. You just got arrested for it a month ago, and you just did it again, which shows us that you have absolutely no contrition for what you did.
I know.
You weren't stealing essential items.
I
you were stealing
a vacuum, a broom.
We're not talking about it.
Okay.
You're going to jail. Okay.
But can I say something? My lawyer told me that if it's below $900 that I don't have to go to jail.
No.
That's not
Your
how
lawyer doesn't make decisions on who goes to jail.
Okay, I'm sorry. I don't mean to offend you or anything, but please, officer, I know you want to take me to county. I know you do, but please.
Why would I want to do that?
Because you're doing your job, and I respect that, and I respect that. But I also know if I don't know like how this there's someone ranked above you or anything. If he was able to give me a chance, he would give me a chance. So can you give me that chance?
So basically what's going to happen is they said that they're going to allow you to keep your car here in the parking lot, so we're not going to impound it.
Okay.
But you're going to have whenever you get out or get your phone call, you're going to have someone pick up your car other than you, because you can't come back here because you're trespassing, okay? Okay, so we're going to refund the items that you paid for, so they're going to take care of that.
Can I keep the items or no?
I mean, you're going to jail.
I mean,
you're not going to be allowed to have them there.
Can I just put them in my car key? Because I'll take my car key with me.
I mean, you take a switch what you actually pay for.
Yeah, so I think they're cutting you a break by giving you a refund.
Okay, can I say one thing without you hating me? I know you already hate me right now.
I don't hate you.
I know, but if you have, you might have kids, you might not have kids.
No, we're not going to keep doing this.
But if you could just extend the courtesy for me, if your kids made a mistake, please don't do this to me.
I appreciate it, buddy.
It'll break my parents' heart, officer. Please give me a chance, please.
Yeah, we should be good to go.
Officer, please.
Okay. You did this.
I know I did this, I know.
You're blaming us.
I know, I'm not blaming you guys. My aunt's an NYPD officer, and she tells me she extends courtesy to people all the time, because...
I would really appreciate if you said courtesy, because it's not a courtesy. You just stole $600 worth of items.
I know, and I made a mistake.
She might want to zip it, okay? She might want to zip it, because I agree with the officer, and I would start getting ticked off too if you keep saying courtesy. Who are you? You're nobody. Who do you know? You're nobody, right? You know nobody, okay? And then you keep throwing out these other people's names that you shouldn't even be throwing out. I hate that when you do something and then you're going to throw other people in it as if that's going to change your situation, right? For example, the officer has made up his mind that you're going down to the county. She goes and says, well, my lawyer said if it's under $500, then I don't have to. Your lawyer don't make the rules around here. What are you talking about? That's the first time. Then we just seen it again. She did it again. Well, my such and such works is NYPD and she extends courtesies all the time. Who gives a crap? Honestly, who gives a crap? Nobody. And this ain't NYPD. So you might want to pay attention to your surroundings. Just own up to it. You messed up. That's it. And that's the end of the game. You know what I'm saying? You might be down there in county for a couple of hours or maybe a day until you go see the judge, bond out. And the rest is history. You know what I'm saying? It's not that big of a deal. Unless she got some problems in the county. Maybe she beefing with a couple of girls or something like that, you know. Then that might be a different story. But stop throwing other people into your mess.
And I'm aware of it, and I want you to know I'm aware of it, and I will, whatever you want me to do, I will show you changes actively. I will
Okay.
do it,
You
please.
should be good to go here then. You guys need anything else?
Officer,
Well, I appreciate you guys.
Sir.
All right, you guys take care. Let's go ahead and stand up for me, okay?
Officer, please.
We're gonna keep going. Stand up. Thank you.
You know where the car is? I just don't want my parents or my family members to see me. Please, officer, I'll do anything. I'll do hours of community service. I'll change. You don't have that.
More people than your family members is gonna see you. Hello? That's the least of your worries, okay? The world is gonna see you. YouTube is gonna see you, okay? Public record.
For you to do that. If you have the authority, please just help me. And I'm sorry I'm being annoying, but please just don't send me to county. Please, officer. I'll do anything. I'll do anything. I'll do community service hours every day. I'll do anything.
Go ahead and take a seat, okay?
I'll do anything, officer. Please, officer. Officer, please.
Get in the car, okay?
I'm going
I'm
to
closing
county.
the door. You're going to county. Get inside the car. I'm closing the door.
I
You
know.
need to get in.
There's no way to take me to county.
No.
Okay, I'm
Put
sorry.
your head
I'm sorry.
in. Put your head in.
Like first,
Yeah, what's about? Stay right there. Nice.
were you
How you like Percy? Stay right there. Stay right there. Face my car.
like back like this?
Who'd you got? Just face my car.
Oh, face your car. Sorry.
All right, we're gonna walk inside,
Do
okay?
I walk in front of you?
Yeah, I know you didn't want to go to jail. That's what happened.
I know.
But you need to. Hopefully, you learned your lesson. We're not gonna do it again, okay?
Okay.
Because
Do I face this way? Face this way? Walk straight?
Yep.
What about you? Walk straight?
Yeah, just stay right there.
What happened like now? Like what?
We're gonna wait our turn to get in line. We're gonna go in there. They're gonna book you in. They just basically process you. You sign some stuff to take your handcuffs off.
And the men and women are separate, right?
In there, no.
Like we're in the same room?
Well, there's only two people outside.
Like we're in the same holding cell?
No, you'll be in a different holding cell.
Okay.
Like, we're gonna go into this room. They book you. They process you. Then you go to medical clearance, talk to a nurse. Then you go to the holding cell.
Okay.
She was charged with larceny of merchandise, and despite all her pleas and claims of wanting to change, guess what? She did it again just a couple of months later and was charged with grand larceny.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.